In order to create a Java application, a complete Java application, so there are a lot of IDEs, integrated development environments are there, like tools are there, like Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ, IDEA, VS Code. So like this, we are having a lot of tools, IDE tools, in order to develop our Java applications. So IntelliJ IDEA, it will be having a community version and the private version. So I think each and every IDE tool will have their own significance according to available versions like community version, community edition or enterprise edition like that. But we have to choose according to our requirement whether we are creating a core Java application or advanced Java application, or like we are developing a complete a business application or enterprise application, a complete enterprise application, a research application. So like that, based on our requirement, client requirement. So we have to decide which tool we have to use, and we have to choose the appropriate IDE tool, and we have to develop. So that will become more easy in order to, it will take less time to develop a complete Java application. I think in nowadays AI tools came like Gemini, .google.com, Copilot, ChatGPT. So like this, we are having a lot of AI tools which are generating required code also as per our requirement. So if you are, for example, if you are developing a Java application, so for example a banking application, so it will generate even the complete architecture also. So it will suggest so what kind of architecture you need to follow, what kind of menus are required, the basic menus, apart from our thoughts, ideology. So I mean, in what way we are going to provide services to the end users or customers, end users, so or users of that particular application. So it will suggest AI tools team. And so these IDE tools are very very important, so because if you take PHP Storm, Visual Studio Code mostly use, and because they support a lot of plugins. So if you want to integrate Git environments or AWS services, if you want to connect to those services directly through plugins, you can connect. For example, if you take basically I'm a PHP developer, but in the beginning days I have worked on Java also, and whenever it is required, and a lot of organizations I have worked on as a part of development. I have worked on Java applications also. So like that, particularly mostly I have created a personal applications. So I'm trying to create a complete Java application. So my target is to create a application. I mean, Williams Bank. I want to establish a law after a long time, like after 25 to 35 years. Like that. It might take a lot of time, but programmatically how to be get ready, because I need to learn. I have to learn COBOL language also for that. I think it might take some time because ATMs need COBOL language, and so it should have a lot of environments. A lot of things are there, but we develop some application. These IDE tools are very important, and don't forget because when we are developing an application as a developer, IDE tool is very important. If there is a lot of difference between a Notepad plus, and like IntelliJ IDEA, like these tools, Eclipse. So they give the basic folder structures, so the basic pattern, the complete flow, the architectural pattern they generate sometimes. So, and also they suggest required plugins, what are the packages are required. If you take Java environment, Java application, what kind of packages are required, they suggest. And we can integrate our own created packages also. So like that, we have to choose appropriate IDE tools we have to choose, and we have to develop, because a lot of scope is there in terms of information technology, and particularly if you take a programming language like a PHP or Java, and now in nowadays Python also is doing a great job, and a lot of programming languages are there. Take Android, iOS, if you want to develop such kind of applications. So Java is minimum we have to understand as a developer. Its knowledge is required completely. So for those applications, and also if you are establishing a software company, so I want to establish my own software company with the name William Software Solutions after 10 to 15 years. So for that, actually I'm planning. So if I get any project from the client, so I can do from the starting to the completion of that particular project. And also I can take government projects also. So I have such an idea to interact with the government officials in coming days, at the state level, and a central level, union government also, Union Government of India, and related ministry, because I have such kind of ideas which I would like to make my upcoming software company like MNC, multinational company, so which I am going to establish in multiple countries, multiple nations, so in coming days. So like that, I want to make it MNC. So for that also, it will be very useful to have knowledge of multiple programming languages, and yeah, so that is what I can suggest. But choose a programming language which will give best career, and never lose concentration on programming language, because sometimes we might get projects from the clients from the older versions, mostly in order to, if you take maintenance kind of projects, so this is along the 20 years back project, or 30 years back project, Java project. For example, if we get such a kind of a bank application or research application, we want to upgrade such a project. So we need these tools are very important. Also learning latest versions in particular programming language also very important. We have to update and upgrade time to time. So it's very important. So like that, we have to concentrate on each and every topic, and deprecated versions. This is one more important thing. As a developer, deprecated versions, deprecated methods, and it's very important. If you take a PHP 4, PHP 5, a lot of differences there. Oops concepts are added in PHP 5. And coming to PHP 7, PHP 8, so like that, lot of deprecated methods are there. And each and every PHP version have its own significance and latest features, and latest Z engine, so like that. So the executable PHP code executable engine. So like that, version to version, lot of difference will be there. So like that, we need upgrade to each and everything. And in LinkedIn, time to time, I am posting all the latest versions of programming languages related screenshots I am sharing without forgetting because I feel really a great opportunity to share such kind of information in LinkedIn, because a lot of professionals are there in LinkedIn, and a lot of important and great professionals are coming in the form of connections to my network, and I am also very interested to connect to useful professionals. And yeah, so because After some time, after 5 to 10 years, I want to establish such kind of MNC, multinational company, Williams Software Solutions. Mostly, I want to establish in United States, but I don't know up to what extent I'm going to migrate to the United States in coming 5 years, 4 to 5 years. Let's see. But and also world's web search engine, busyfmpage.com. This is the most prominent product which I'm going to develop within next 20 years. And in 2041, I will come up with the basic version, which will have a complete version, complete basic version in 2041. Was a new web search engine like Google, Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Microsoft, like that. And so it will become new generation's web search engine. And also another one more important prominent software product is v-page.com. Domain might change, so but currently it is available as v-page.com, v-page.com, which will be a video search engine like YouTube, Daily Motion, like that. Without any doubt, these two software products will play a vital role in the entire world, without any doubt, by competing. I cannot say competing, but it will have its own significance without minimizing the efficiency or intensity in terms of existing search engines, which I can say. So more intensity with more power, with more horsepower. So it is going to give services in coming days without any doubt. So thank you so much. Thank you very much. This is the World King, the Universal Horse Star Ravindar Reddy Yampalla. Thanks to all of my fans, supporters, and followers, and special thanks to all of my YouTube subscribers. Thanks so much.